Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you now how can you test the AC compressor, if it's working or not, on this 2012 Honda Odyssey. So it's very difficult to see the AC compressor on this side, but let me go under to the vehicle. Let me see. Okay, right there. Okay, this is our AC compressor, and we have our this cable lead right there. Okay, let me focus on that cable. Okay, if you see, the cable lead terminal is on the power to the terminal connector to this AC compressor. Okay, so the problem on this car is the compressor that is not working properly. Okay, so we're going to replace the compressor, but just I want to show you and demonstrate how it works, that compressor. Okay, so once that you check your freon on the system and the freon is working properly with enough pressure, but the AC compressor never is turned on and you have the 12 volts, it's necessary to replace the AC compressor. Okay, let me turn it on the motor. We're going to start. Okay, and look now. Look, for now we have the AC in on position. Okay, and you can see on your power probe the signal from this cable lead. Look, we have the battery voltage right there with the AC compressor in on, but it's not working. Okay, so look right there, it's stuck enough position, and we have the battery voltage right there. And look, we're going to turn it off, the AC right there is turning off, and we don't have signal. Okay, so for now we have our relay fuses and working properly, but just the coil inside to this AC compressor is not working properly. All right, so it's enough, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.